This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, this is Sony R Mastery team. Okay, this week we have a quite a big items event coming up. As you can see from the screen, it's full of it, right? I think among them all, the major one will be FOMC on the later part of the week, which is on the late night of Wednesday and of course early part of Thursday in terms of Asia Singapore time. All right, this will be the major one in my opinion, and the second major one gonna be British pound rate decision. So this will be the two major items that is gonna be quite impactful. And last but not least, we also will be having an FOMC non-farm payroll in the Friday. All right, as usual. So these three are the major items in my opinion. I repeat again, in the middle of the week we have a FOMC rate decision. At the same time, we have a BOJ British pound rate decision, and of course NFP. So I think that is also a partial reason why we are in the today is Tuesday, right? We are in the sort of like a slow moving week so far. So I think the whole market is waiting for the bigger event in the later part of the week. Okay, so let's do some analysis together. Okay, let me start with gold here, right? Okay, gold. Okay, gold, there was a very nice bounce from the swing level of 1266, all right, and they have a very nice bounce it up. They have a very nice bounce, but they also go up to retest the strong support level of 1288 and 1290 level. So what is happening right now is they are trying to make a play around between these two major support and resistance. For this case, is 1266 level, and I repeat again, around 1287, 1290 level. So in my opinion, it's gonna be a quite when the FOMC release, they're gonna be a quite impact in my opinion, and I foresee a tendency or the potential of it going up for a time being. All right. For example, I think they might do a bit of shakeout by going up above. Maybe they can go to around 1290, 1298, or even 1300 level. So it's like at least, okay, we are not so 100% sure that market will go all the way up or not, but I think the likelihood of going up to this 1298 or 1300 level is quite likely in my opinion, because market have been down for quite recently, and there are a lot of so-called shorts are piling up, especially on the later stage of this down move, right? So I think this is gonna be a shakeout move in my opinion. So the likelihood of going up to the 1218 128 1298 and 1230 is quite likely. Okay, so put it this way, we need to figure it out. Yeah, we need to find out on that. Okay, in my opinion, I think the move will only come in, I think either around the same time or even after the FOMC gonna be. So it's like you still have a lot of times to so-called plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, at the same time, or either I rather say on the flip side, the market also have a very high chance that they can go down to 1266 to retest as well. So what I'm trying to say is that you don't go along and put a stop loss in between here, because the likely of market go down to bounce it up also there is likely as well. So it's like this is a range that you need to pay attention to. I repeat again, 1266. Another one is 1286 to 1290, and I think once they break it out, I think the next resistance will be 1298 and 1300 level. So 1300 level will be a very big in my opinion. Okay, another one, let's take a look on the US dollar CHF. Okay, recently we have been bullish on US dollar CHF, especially on CHF pairs and US dollar CHF. I make a example of that. You can go and look for our Telegram, right? You can look for Sonics Traders, so NICTRADERS, right? In the Telegram, you can follow us, our analysis there. So we have a bit of like the market go as per our plan, right? So it was a nice run up. I think it gonna be run up continue for quite a while. So what I'm trying to say is that in the mid range, which is around 1 to 3 month, or longer term 3 to 6 months, we are still pretty much in the uptrend, right? So it's like a medium or long term, we stay in the uptrend. The only issue that we might be facing right now is the market have come to the sort of like the resistance level here, right? They are doing nothing really much, and in my opinion, even if they were to go down lower, okay, they can go down to, for example, the nearest swing support is around 1.0120. I think it can be short-lived. That means they go down, but eventually they will be pushed up to go back higher. Because as you can see, the recent run-up is pretty fast and furious. Not the movie, we are pretty fast and furious. So in my opinion, we might take some, some break and because by this fast and furious move, I think a lot of people are, joining in without knowing the danger of it. I think these people can get shaken out first. So to summarize, market may make a so-called immediate pull down or something like that, but I think in the longer run, it stay have a bullish trend, stay hold true. All right. So these are my US dollar CHF. Another one that I want you to take a look at is the Euro JPY. Okay, we understand that Japan is in the long holiday for 10 days right now. All right, so we need to treat this pair, anything to do with JPY, we need to treat this pair carefully. Right. So what I'm seeing right now is that we are starting to see some pullback in the making. So I'm expecting this level, which is around 124.15, to act as a decent support for a time being. So what it might be doing is that of course I think they can go back up to 125.4 level, I think quite easily first, because this level is considered, because currently we are in the we call it no man land. I think the chance of going up until they reach certain resistance is quite high. So I think this level is quite reachable in my opinion. Okay, we don't talk about can go to here or going up here is later, but I think 125.4, 125.3 is highly possible. So this is what I'm expecting it to happen. Euro JPY at the moment, right? So last but not least, let's talk about Dow Jones. All right. Okay. Dow Jones, the problem and the good thing and the problem is Dow Jones, we are coming to a very strong resistance level of this region already, right? Which is around 26,600, or even the 27,000 will be the very big resistance level. Okay, the good thing is that US market, or US economy rather, is rather doing well compared to other places like Europe and stuff like that. So we shouldn't be so surprised market might be go higher and higher. All right, because of course when it reach to the certain resistance level, which is I repeat again, 27,000 level, they may be pulling right back down, what not, right? But the trend likely to remain very strong. I mean, put it this way, every strong swing down or every strong support level is a good chance for you to go in and long. I think because the US economy is doing pretty well and rather healthy, right? And the market might be go higher and higher. All right. So this is all I have. I repeat again, gold I have discussed, right? US dollar CHF. I have discussed Euro JPY and Dow Jones as well. Okay, as usual, yep, just please make sure this week gonna be a very, very volatile one. All right, we have a FOMC, British pound decision, and last but not least, we have an NFP. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Thank you.
All right. And over my end, I'll be talking about US dollar to Singapore dollars, which we can see that price has made a nice rejection over at the 1.363 level. Okay, as you can see from the price action 4 days back, price tries to go up but gets rejected over at this area. And for the past 2 days, price is unable to make a higher than the level that I mentioned earlier on. So with that, I'm seeing that this level should likely to hold the price, and in addition, this is also a very nicely previous swap zone, which is where the previous price is being supported, turns into a resistance area. Okay, so I'm temporarily seeing a nice down move. I'm foreseeing a nice down move that will happen towards the next consolidation area over the 1.355 area. Okay, and up next, the pound to Aussie dollars is currently in a no man land. I'll be patiently waiting for price to retrace us back into the support level at the 1.8175 level. Okay, when price retraces back into this support level is where I'll be waiting for the bullish setup to shows up before taking a long trade. All right. So the first target level that I'll be looking out for if price were to retrace us back into this level would be this kind of area where price was previously being rejected strongly. Okay, and if price were to break higher than this level, we should see price goes up higher towards the next resistance level at 1.855 level. Last but not least, Canadian Swiss franc is starting to turn bearish with price retracing back into the resistance level at 0.76. Yesterday's candle is showing that price is unable to make a higher high. So with that, I'm seeing a possible downside for this pair, and its target level that I'm looking at would be at 0.7513 level. So this is all we have over about our end. Thank you for watching, and we hope everything goes as per the plan. All right. See you guys next week. All right. Bye.